Hello, and welcome back to another dish of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is August the 4th, 2025, and we're down here in a brand new garden that was just put in this year. We have our green beans, wax beans, and dragon tongue beans, and we also have our red beets in. And we did put a fence around it so that the deer could not get in it. And we also have some cantaloupe seedlings back there. So this wasn't planted too long ago now. We are watering it from the water tank. There is no water down here in this area, so we do have to use the water tanks. And we are keeping this moist. It's been a while since we had rain. So this is a brand new planted area. Some of the red beets did have to be helped to get up through this plastic, and some of the beans did, but you don't have the weeds and you don't have the mess. You don't have the weeds crowding out your seedlings or fighting your seedlings for nutrients. So they are growing very well, and we're looking forward to getting our harvest off of this area here. So our first planting of beans, what actually happened, they rotted off from how much rain we were getting. We're getting rain and cold, and it was very unseasonably wet and cold in our area. We're gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B. So it was just an off year this year, and the beans wound up rotting off, most of them. And the garden was completely full, and we're trying to figure out where we're going to plant our stuff at, so we just did a brand new vegetable garden here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button on times I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.